Hello friends, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. And look at that, I found a new animal at the zoo. This is called the Aadox. Do you see how it looks similar to a deer or moose? They have antlers, but these ones are white. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you the animal and see how they react. All right.
Yeah, it was hilarious.
Can you see them moving?
Yeah, I've seen that picture.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You see them moving?
That's crazy.
How many do you see? I see 1, 2, 3. A couple are laying down. All right, friends, these are interesting creatures. If you know anything about them, please leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts.